Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. This is episode 5 of Scrap and Sew. Today's project is a reversible pet food mat. For this project, you will need 24 5-inch squares in total. I'm using only scrap fabrics here. For one side, I have used two different fabrics, which is 12 squares of each. For the other side, I have used three fabrics, about 8 squares of each. You can mix and match any colors or prints you like. First, lay out your squares for both front and back panels. Once you are happy with the layout, sew the squares together by placing them right sides together. Repeat this until both panels are complete. And this is how both panels should look. I'm not using any interface for this project, uh, but you can definitely add it if you want more structure. And you'll also need 8 fabric strips measuring 2 by 6 inches for the ties. I'll explain their purpose later, and this is how the ties should look. Now for the ties, place the ties along the vertical edge of one panel as shown here. Do the same thing for all the 4 ties. Once done, place the second panel on top, right sides together with the ties sandwiched in between. Clip everything in place and sew around the edges, leaving a small gap to turn it right side out. This is how it should look. Trim the excess fabrics, clip the corners, and turn it right side out. Don't forget to poke the corners and press it well. Now add a top stitch to close the gap. The mat is completely washable since everything is cotton. And this is how it should look. For the non-slip base, I'm using the rug underlay, which I had got it from Dollar Tree. I cut it slightly smaller so that it stays hidden. Uh, and I tied it in place so that it's removable when washing. And this is how the finished pet food mat should look. I have placed it on top of my cat's cabinet and it looks very pretty. I made this for my cat because he's a very messy eater and spills food everywhere. So hopefully this mat helps. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next episode. Bye.